Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Well, that's right, and here we are Friday night in the big sky. I'm going to start off with the Wolf Moon as seen from Mark A. Demoline, a shot over by the Livingston area. Nice looking shot. Let's see it a little bit closer. Yeah, I like this one. Comes from Leon Jensen. This is over there as well out by Pole Creek. Meanwhile, we'll move on and show you what's happening out here tonight in the Billings area. Not a bad night for us. We've got partly cloudy skies. Got some snow in the area, but not here yet. 24 degrees. Winds are out of the southwest at about 3 miles per hour. Still, wind chill factor about the same at 24 degrees. Now, you'll notice our high temp today is 24, yeah, because we're supposed to warm up as the night goes on. And we thought we'd be about 24 by 10:30. We're just about 10 minutes early. That's okay. We're going to warm up even more as the night goes on. Here's your normal high, 36. The record, 59 back in 1941. The record low is 22 below zero back in 1949. And when it comes to precipitation, nothing new to add to the total today. So here's where we are for the month of the year, about 1/10 of an inch. And we'll probably pick up more this weekend. In the meantime, take a look at the reported lows this morning. Look at all the negative signs up along the high line. 7 below at Glasgow, 6 below at Cutbank this morning. And places like Miles City and Glendive, 4 below zero. Even over at Butte, it was 5 below there. Northern Wyoming, 2 and 3 below zero at Cody and Sheridan. And as we see here, these are current temperatures. We're basically into the teens here in the northeastern Montana, up across the west into the 20s and 30s out there. Great Falls, they're at 31, 28 at Livingston, 27 over at Bozeman right now. And of course, our reported highs in many cases are exactly the same. 30 over at Missoula today. You see 28 across the Cutbank, 23 for the high temp today at Havre. So really kind of an interesting day because as the night goes on, that cold front or warm front sweeps across the eastern edge of the state. Things are expected to warm up a little bit. In the meantime, we do have a wind advisory till tomorrow morning, 65-mile-per-hour winds right along Interstate 90 for blowing and drifting snow and along the Beartooth foothills. Meanwhile, farther out in the west, you can see this area in purple. That is a number of winter weather advisories, ranging anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow in some of the valleys, all the way up to 2 feet in some of the higher elevations. Over here by, I believe, by Park County, we're looking at maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow there by Bozeman. So meanwhile, one other place out in the west, we have a winter storm warning there. Goes till about 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 5 to 10 inches of snow there, making travel very difficult across most of the passes in that region. In the meantime, you can see it on the Doppler radar. Here comes your snow. We've got some of it already making their way to north central Montana, some of it coming very close to the Billings area. Just a matter of time, I think around midnight or so, we'll probably start seeing some of that snow moving here. Jet stream is taking it off right the Pacific Ocean, pushing it right into western Montana, then zipping it back down here. So we had a big low pressure cell over Texas and Oklahoma today. This produced a number of tornadoes across this area from Tahlequah, Oklahoma, all the way into parts of Missouri and into parts of Illinois. A very busy, very active night for severe weather in that area, and then they get hit with the cold air again tomorrow. That's our cold air. Meantime, for us, there's that warm front sweeping across the region by tomorrow morning. More snow continues to move out in the west by tomorrow afternoon. And then all of a sudden, by Saturday night, 6 p.m., here comes that Arctic air. But the circulation around this low is counterclockwise, so it pushes that cold Arctic air back up in Canada for at least one more day. That low slides to the south and then allows that cold air to drain into Montana and Wyoming by the time Sunday and Monday get here. Only expecting light snow in the Billings area, maybe 6 to 10 inches of snow in Kalispell. But tonight, our temps cool back down to the teens and 20s for overnight lows. But take a look at Tuesday night's overnight lows. 20s below zero, not wind chill. These are actual temperatures. 16 below zero is what we're expecting for Billings. Same thing at Lewistown, 28 below at Cutbank, 27 below at Havre. Then tomorrow we're getting back up into the 20s and 30s, 36 in Billings, not too bad. But tonight in Billings down to 20 degrees, a slight chance for some snow showers late tonight. And then tomorrow back up to 36 degrees. Sunday and Monday, well, here comes the cold air dropping back down. And look at those cold temperatures. Sub-zero for highs, 12 below on Wednesday night, and then back up to 12 above by Friday. Let's go back to the desk.